Guys, it's Hardcore Crypto. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin pumped very well yesterday, just as I predicted that we are most likely going to rally or surge to the upside. And as we can see right here, we are still respecting this trend line right here. Now, there's a whole lot to discuss today about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So stay tuned and stay focused. Yeah. So now, from the 4 hours time frame, first of all, we could see right here that we got rejected from this. If I should take this away from here, we could see. Okay, we could see how we are able to rally yesterday, but we couldn't break this resistance right here at $112,696. We couldn't break above it, so we dropped really, really low. Now the question right now is, we didn't really drop low. We just made a higher low. So we are kind of recovering right now. I would say we might have to retest this once more at 112,678. If we can break above it, we're most likely going to drop low. And this time around, if care is not taken, we're most likely going to drop below this support, and we might probably retest the $110,000 again. Yes, before maybe having to rally much higher, find support around here, then breaking out. This might be the case, or we might just break out of here today. Who knows? Break out of here today and find support around here, and then we could retest all this resistance right here at 114,500 levels. Sorry about that. So now if we check the other chart right here, we could see that we also couldn't break above this resistance right here at $112,500. Just as I made it known to us that we're most likely going to find it difficult breaking this resistance first of all, and you could see that that's basically what happened. We weren't able to break above it, and we got a little bit of correction or a pullback. So now what's to be expected right now is, if we are not able to break it once more, or we get a fake out, so we're most likely going to drop all the way down to 110,500, maybe even lower to 109,700 or 800. Maybe we could get a move like this, who knows. But for now, we should just expect volatility. Yes, because I think we are expecting non-farm payroll today. I'm not sure, but I'll definitely let you guys know. Just stay tuned for us to know what we should be expecting today according to the news. And also looking at the news, while speaking of news, the news right now, 17 hours ago, MicroStrategy buys 1,955,000 worth of Bitcoin, worth $219 million. Crazy. Gold reaches new all-time high of 3,630, and it's made another high, if I could remember, because I knew that I got a notification from Watcher Guru regarding gold making new all-time high. Nasdaq files with the SEC to allow tokenization and blockchain listing of stocks, which is bullish, guys, very bullish. Just in U.S. House Committee on Financial Service calls for the Senate to pass Crypto Clarity Act market structure bill. So it's also bullish. Okay, that is Trump, not really something necessary. Ledger CTO warns a large scale crypto hack in the JavaScript ecosystem and advises against making on-chain transactions for now. So now this is something really serious, because looking at this there's a large scale supply chain attack in progress. the NPM account of a reputable developer has been compromised. The affected packages have already been downloaded over 1 billion times, meaning the entire JavaScript ecosystem can be at risk. So this is very, very crazy because I think the blockchain is kind of coded. It's been built using JavaScript, or it's on the JavaScript it's been coded on JavaScript, or JavaScript is the code or programming this thing tool used for coding the blockchain. So for this JavaScript to be compromised, it means that crypto is also at risk. So if you've got some money on any hardware wallet, please do not make any transactions at the moment, because your wallet could be, it could be spotted, and your seed phrase could also easily be seen by these hackers. And also, we could get a swap of wallet address. Maybe if you want to transact to someone else's wallet address and the person sends you a wallet address, your wallet address could be swapped. It could be swapped without you even taking it, because I'm sure 95% of with the traders don't go through each of those words, or should I say letters, when we want to transact money on the blockchain. So we have to be very careful, and the only way to avoid your wallet being noticed or being hacked is by not making any transaction. Just sit on your hands until this has been fully resolved, guys. So moving forward, we have Eric Trump. Okay, we all know Eric Trump. I'm not interested. SEC to host public crypto roundabouts. Okay, not really interested. Yeah, gold reaches new all-time high of 3,650. Now, for gold to reach new all-time high, it means one thing: people don't want to be on the fiat page anymore. People don't want to hold fiat. People don't want to hold stable coin. Everyone wants to hold something volatile, because everyone is expecting the Fed to cut rate, and people are always trying to outsmart Fed by, people have to think that, okay, Fed will cut rate, so they want to outrun the rate cut and all what's not. So the fact that gold is pumping right now, this ripping off, is simply because people don't want to be on the stable coin, because when they start cutting rates, people want to be where they will make profits from. So the fact that gold is pumping is a huge indicator signaling that Fed will cut rate anytime soon. It could be this month. Sorry about that. It could be this month, because people are expecting the 17th of September or 18th of September. But if it's not this month, I'm thinking it's definitely going to be next month that the Fed will cut rate, because if you look at things right now, there's a whole lot of news to go on this week that is going to happen this week. So speaking of the news on the economic calendar, we have ECB's Negal speech today. We also have non-farm payroll benchmark revision, which is very, very, very important. We also have boys reading speech, very important too. And yep, so that is that for that part. And also today we have API weekly crude oil stock. Not really that important, but what I'll just be listing what we should be expecting to be very, very important. We have the producer price index month on month, very important. We also have the producer price index year on year too, also very important. And we also have the producer price index X food and energy month on month, very important, and year on year also for the producer price index X food and energy, very important. We also have the what's it called, the ECB main refinancing operations rate, which is going to be on Thursday. Very, very, very important. And we also have the ECB monetary policy statement. Extremely important. The ECB rate on deposit facility. Extremely important. Consumer price index month on month and year on year. Very important, guys. So as you can see, there's a whole lot of things for us to take note of. So we should be expecting some level of volatility this week, a whole lot of volatility. So we should just prepare ourselves for this volatility we're about to experience or encounter. So yeah, that is just all I can say for now. I'll definitely be here to keep each and one of us updated. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.